Goa has reopened for tourists from 2nd July 2020. Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said that Goa is reopening for tourists. Tourism is one of the biggest industry in the state and is the backbone of our economy. In this unlock phase, we are kickstarting our economy again by keeping the highest health safety norms in place in view of COVID-19. Let's work together to fight this pandemic and restore the livelihood of thousands of Goans. The Chief Minister also shared the guidelines and regulations for tourists. The guidelines and regulations are as follows. Goa is reopening for tourists starting from 2nd July 2020. Before the travel, pick up your hotel. Pre-booking is mandatory to enter Goa. Only hotels with the highest safety and hygiene standards are open. To access the list of accommodations permitted by Department of Tourism's www.goatourism.gov.in and www.goa-tourism.com. Fill up a self-declaration form to help us keeping you safe. The form will be available at pre-booked accommodation unit. Quarantine upon arrival in Goa is not required. Option A. Carry a COVID-19 negative certificate issued in last 48 hours. In this case, no extra test needed in Goa. Or Option B. Get tested in Goa at your own cost at state entry point. Pay the test fees online or at state entry point. Travel. By road, Dodamar, Patradevi, Keri, Mollem, Polem. By air, Dabolim International Airport. By train, Madgaon, Thivim, Vasco da Gama. Upon arrival, go to the tourism kiosk at respective entry point. All tourists will undergo a basic screening through a thermal gun. Get your mandatory documents checked at the tourism kiosk. Your swab sample will be collected at the state entry point. If you carry a COVID negative certificate from your port of origin, you can skip step 7 and 8. Go to your accommodation for check-in. You will stay in isolation until the result comes. Not applicable in case you are carrying a COVID-19 negative certificate. Your results will come after 1 or 2 days. If negative, you can stay in Goa. If positive, you will go to institutional quarantine. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.